Site measurement. Fix the base plate. Frame placement. Installing reinforcement plate. Side leg fixation. Tension bar fixation. Frame installation. X-bracing installation. Frame installation. Big purlin, small purlin installation. Completion of the first frame construction. Repeat the frame installation steps. Roof cable installation. Frame construction completed and displayed. Roof fabric installation. Pressure bar installation. Roof fabric installation completed. Triangle fabric installation. Repeat the fabric installation. Complete the construction.